Hi, this is Stephanie with the Center for AAC and Autism. I wanted to show you a little trick. You may have heard that Lamp Words for Life is getting a fresh new logo for the App Store. You can see an example of what it should look like on the screen right now. Now, some people I know will have challenges with this change. It might be a visual challenge or an emotional challenge. Just the difference in colors and the way it looks will cause some confusion with some people. I get it. So I want to show you a little trick, and we're going to use shortcuts to create an automation that will make it look like it's opening it up with the old icon. So first, you need to grab a picture of the old icon. If you are seeing this video before the app logo refresh, you'll be able to find it on Safari. So I went to Safari and typed in Lamp Words for Life app logo, and usually you'll have the All tab selected. You'll want to touch Images, and you'll notice that it's available there on the top item. Touch that logo one time and you'll get a larger screen to the right. Take your finger and hold it on part of the brown area, not the letters, but the brown area, and you're going to hold and long press until, sometimes you have to do it twice, until you get this option that says Save to Photos. So I'm going to touch Save to Photos, and now I'm going to have a copy of this logo in my photo album. The second place we're going to go is called Shortcuts. So open up Shortcuts, and because I've been playing with it, I'm going to get rid of this one so that it starts fresh. I'm in the right area, but it might open up on Gallery, Automation. You just want to look on the panel of options and go to All Shortcuts. Once you're there, you'll see a blue plus sign at the top right. So touch the blue plus sign. And on the right-hand panel, you'll see the option for Open App. Touch that, and now that is in the left-hand side of the panel now. And where you see the blue word App next to Open App, touch that blue word App, and we're going to scroll and find our Words for Life. Now above that, you'll see Lamp, and it says Open App. There's a little dark arrow pointing down. Touch that, and first we're going to rename it Words for Life, and then click Done, and then go back to that little down arrow. The next thing we're going to do is click Add to Home Screen. But before we add it to home screen, look at the home screen white area behind the keyboard, and if you need to hide the keyboard, there's a button at the bottom right of the keyboard. Hide that away. Let's touch the photo icon, which will allow us to choose a photo. Remember that one we saved earlier. Touch it and click Use, and now it will show that. And then we're going to click Add. And from here, if you want to long press, and we can edit and move this wherever we need it so that our Lamp Words for Life will open up for us with the old icon or the new icon. Either way, it'll work. I hope that this video is helpful for you, and give us some feedback what you think about the change.